I sit at the piano, fingers gently keys. Vibrant melodies flow like a gentle summer breeze. The ivory and ebony, they sing with every stroke. In this world of music, it's the language I invoke. The notes dance and twirl, creating a tapestry. Motions come alive in perfect harmony. Each key, a brush stroke painting colors in the air. With every chord an arpeggio, I express what I can't share. The piano speaks a language all its own through delicate chords and melodies. My soul